This video will look at how to make a change request for a missed punch in, a missed punch out, as well as a lunch deduction cancellation. First, log into Kronos. Whether you log in using the mobile app, whether you log in on your phone or tablet simply using your internet browser, or whether you log on using a desktop computer or laptop, the screens will look fairly similar. The main difference between the screens will simply be the size of the screens. When you log in, you'll see your dashboard. To see your timesheet, click My Timesheet. It'll open your timesheet for your current pay period. To see the pay period which just ended, click the left arrow next to the date, and that will take you to the pay period which ended just previously. However, in this case, we're going to fix some missed punches in the current pay period. Here, the employee didn't punch in on Monday, February 7th or punch out. They forgot their badge card. To fix that issue, they click Change Request, change type first and add punch in. Notice it defaults to the first day of the pay period, which is Saturday. So must change that to the correct day, in this case the 7th, by clicking the little calendar icon. Then type in the time you actually arrived at work, if this is a missed punch in, and a reason for why the punch was missed. And click Submit Changes. The change request will be emailed to your timesheet approver. Your timekeeper will also get a copy of the email, but cannot approve the request. Now we'll also do a change request for an add punch out, since that was also missed on that day. Again, I have to select the correct day. In this case, I note 4:30, that's the time left, but notice it says AM. So if I left that, it would come in incorrectly. So I just click that AM and it changes to PM. Click Submit Change, and that request also went off to the approver. The final thing we'll show is how to request a lunch deduction cancellation. We see here the employee normally has a 60-minute lunch. However, on Tuesday, February 8th, they skipped their lunch. They worked through it with their supervisor's approval and foreknowledge. Now need to do is submit a change request to note that they worked through lunch. So to do that, they click Change Request, then Modify Cost Center. And here, click Expand All, and then select the day of the time that was worked through lunch. In this case, February 8th. Click the right arrow there. And then under lunch break, it has the normal time that the employee has lunch break. To cancel it, change it to 0. Then a brief reason. Submit changes. So the approver will receive emails, and when they click on these emails, it'll take them to this little box right here for the different approvals. So they'll want to approve if there's a add punch in and add punch out for the same day. They'll want to approve the add punch in first to avoid any problems with the software. They click Approve. Now the add punch out, they click Approve. And finally, the lunch deduction cancellation, which it shows it changing from 60 to 0, they click Approve. When the approver approves these, you as the employee will receive emails for each of those approvals. Now I'm going to refresh the employee's timesheet. And here we see that it has successfully added the punch in, punch out, as well as the lunch deduction cancellation.